Hello, I'm Mark, a certified credit consultant with Credit Justice Services, and today I'd like to speak with you about the 5 myths of credit repair. Our first myth sounds so nefarious that it's funny. Myth 1 actually has to do with the nature of credit bureaus, and it states that credit bureaus are official, quasi-governmental agencies. And these institutions work alongside your creditors to keep every adult citizen towing that financial line. They are, in fact, for-profit businesses. And they're paid for by the people who check your credit report. Credit bureaus or credit reporting agencies and those that furnish the data that wind up on your credit report, well, they're subject to the authority of 2 government bodies: the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. In 2012, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau also received oversight into the credit reporting agencies, and this includes the big 3 national credit bureaus. They are allowed to conduct on-site examinations to ensure compliance with the law. The Fair Credit Reporting Act is a law that defines how these credit reporting agencies should operate, and it also provides for your ability to challenge your credit report. This is the law that Credit Justice Services uses to get inaccurate, obsolete, and unverifiable items removed from your credit report. Removal of these items will lead to a higher credit score and better borrowing opportunities for you. Myth 2 states that your credit report is reviewed carefully. Nothing could be further from the truth. These agencies are huge and could never take the time to go over every credit report thoroughly. In fact, 79% of credit reports contain an error of some type. 1 in 4 of those credit reports have errors so bad that the applicant is denied credit based on that information. Based on complaints from the Attorney General's office, 200 people annually actually show up dead on their credit report. Federal law requires credit reports to contain information that is fairly reported, 100% accurate, and fully substantiated upon your request. Myth 3 would have you believe that including a credit statement along with the bad lines of your credit report is helpful. This, unfortunately, is not true. In fact, a statement may be viewed as an admission of guilt. Loans are denied or approved based on numbers and not words. The FICO score alone and no amount of words will help. A statement may also be viewed as excuses for the bad credit line instead of actually being helpful. Myth 4 says that negative items must remain for 7 years. In the United States, credit reporting is entirely voluntary, with no enforceable minimum time periods. If creditors cannot prove this data is fair, accurate, and substantiated credit reporting, then by order of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, this data must be removed. Myth 5 says that seeking help repairing your credit is unlawful. Here's where Credit Justice Services comes in. The law is on your side. You as a consumer have the right to seek assistance with the process of credit repair. You have the right to legally challenge any and all items on your credit report. Credit Justice Services will use aggressive strategies in order to help you remove negative items from your credit report. If you have some bumps in your credit or have been turned down for credit in the past, let's take a look at your credit report and start to get you on the road to the credit that you deserve. If you need help, call Credit Justice Services today at 419-768-7258 or email me at mark@creditjusticeservices.net or visit us on the web at creditjusticeservices.net. Thank you for watching.